Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game. And after it, I decide what I work on today. First I wait for the terminal to be usable. One command to start stuff. In the time I can read, I'm still working on Spellmaker. I had this weird flickering bug. Okay, this I have to analyze, test multiplayer, and check touch control, and I have playtest as last part. What is max DPS? Compared to other classes. Okay, it started at once in the browser. Localhost for me. I want to start fresh, so I delete stuff. I play Spellmaker again, I guess, still my nearly done class, and a circle fire line. I guess I go lightning again. Wait. I think I should. Let's try small enemies. And probably the easiest one is fire circle. So let's do 4 mana. Let's try this for now. I think the biggest problem is I don't have single target damage like this. Do they? Stop. Okay, now I can change. Let's. This is small high damage. This does 145 and this is 50. Okay. Orbiter or lightning. What do I have here? The wrong one. Autocast. Autocast could work. I put this one on autocast. And I can take slot 2. Should probably cast it a bit in the front. Let's make manual clicks. Okay, I survived. Proximity fire line orbiter. I think orbiter is fine because they follow. Let's see. Attach would be more acute, but okay, now they follow. This should work better. They're getting pretty close. I wonder if... Okay. Slow explosion? Proximity. I'm unsure. Slow is definitely more mana, but I can... 17, I think. Let's do 42. Let's see if this helps. Definitely slows. I have time. It's my second one. I need second part, which slows a lot. Can I not do this? Doesn't make it too expensive. Yes, perfect. I'm still surviving, so I shouldn't complain. But it's not looking too good. But I think I'm already dependent on no one. Okay, perfect, perfect. Turret explosion fire line. Is explosion the better one? I can probably... I have no idea currently. And I'm late on the time. Let's pause. I feel weak. Explosion is the other AoE I can take. But I think one problem is my... Does turret help me? I don't think so. Fireline explosion. Was Fireline more efficient? Explosion. Maybe Explosion was more efficient. Explosion also gives me single target burst. Let's take Explosion. So I need a spell for it. Currently I had the second spell. I have 30 seconds to create it. For now I'm safe. Okay, let's do... Now I go over. I will reset this one. I will do... ...11 seconds. Slow on one. So this is... We'll see. Okay, this is easy. Now... How is my... They're all on 5. Charge might be easier for... Titch fighter, and I take charge, I guess. Also charge. I am on spell, you go off charge. Did charge get a few levels? Yes. Also on for 7. I want more. I'm far too late. For 9 for 8. 5 for 9. Still for 9. Let's charge for the boss. Be one shot, I believe. Yes, okay. I have... I think Seeker will help me the most. Let's wait for them to build up. And now I have to hope. I wanted... Oh god, I have so little time. They're coming too close. Will I reach 6? Probably. Don't like 17, 30. Now I have to wait. Wait, charge. I lose all my protection. Okay, next one. Move turret. Proximity. Can build with proximity. I think a bit. 60 seconds. I'm still. Seeker and proximity both don't have level. Will give me a boost. So I should make the spell, which shoots around. Go to Spellmaker, make a new spell, go on slot 3. I have proximity 1, 2, 3. I need to seek, and they explode on stage 2. And go on autocast. Now I'm losing my... Is this my death? I have gained levels. Oh, it's getting close. This is problematic. 7, 6, 4, 3. Now I can charge. I have to hope that this is enough. This. Now I have to... have to think. Seeker proximity. I should wait for level 5 probably and then turn it off. I think this might be the best. And while 4-9. 5. Wait, 6. Okay, now I go to 3, put it off to 2, and now I hope this is strong enough to slowly move forward. But I did not skill Fireline yet. So probably around here I should stop, wait a bit, charge. I will lose everything and... Oops, this is a one-shot. Perfect. How much damage did it do? Combat lock. 1.5 million. 6 hits, so 1... Okay, it's pretty close. I do not have a fire line currently. Let's take turret. This is complicated. Don't have the time. Let's go in here. So, okay. Fireline turret. I can make a turret which shoots seeking fire lines. What is the best thing? And I put it on charge. My circle is not helpful. This is for small enemies. So I should deactivate autocast. I should fireline turret. Seeking fireline turret. Okay. Charge seeking fireline turret. I believe. So I unpause, I go into Spellmaker mode, I go to skill 1, autocast is out. This I want to keep. This is deleted, new spell 3. I go on 3, I want a turret. With mana, you go charge. And you shoot fireline, doesn't need to be long. Fireline needs to be seeking 30 seconds. This should be fine. I could also slow, but no, I go in. What is this? This is my turret. But I'm on spell 1. This is the one I do no longer use. This is my slow spell. This is my turret spell, which shoots. But there's no slow behind it yet. Should I put slow on it? I think this will help. Put 50% slow. Okay, nearly. So it's on charging, so I should be able to build it up and I will see. Let's see. This is doing a lot of damage. Good. Ooh, wow, is this hard? Underestimated. But I had a lot of upgrade points. Okay, I won. It's possible to survive. Scaling was perfect, basically. Okay, this was one round. I have the slow flickering text. I have an error for it. Yesterday I already looked and it didn't make sense because the values were identical. I think for a moment. Let's play the test to see if it works. Oh, no, first is version 141 today. Next is where's my test I want to play, and the other ones are not important. And I'm actually not interested in so let's see this one. This is fine or not. Low? Do you load or did you fail? Okay. I want to run my tests. Okay, there I have the But I placed it. I think the speed I can follow. Okay, test is perfect. Now, how can I figure this out? Last time I already checked and it didn't make sense. So I should... Nothing else was flickering. First of all, I should check the stack trace, the debug slow paint. Because I pretty much remember that this was... Wait. No, it's not flickering, is it? But it was one test replace again. There it is. I can break here, I remember, so I can see the text that was moving. I wanted to know the stack trace. I'm on a recursive call, which is correct. And here I am in scale, but I currently don't have a scale factor, I believe. 1, 1, so it doesn't change anything. Does scaling affect it? Does this specific... It seems to be a very specific position. Now what to do? It was moving up and down, and it's only for this turret. I again have the 299 on Y, 924, and I have so I have to assume something changes for fill text. Can this be? Do you have attachment? Pretty sure these values were always the same. Pretty sure he takes in... Yeah, JavaScript only has floats. So how can I... 10.5.299. Cannot. It was one frame up again. One. But it's random if it. So it's not every second frame. It's. No, it's down. Nothing changes here. What could I do? I can change values. I have access to the game object. So if I game state players player 0 character abilities. Now what is the correct ability to take? It's position 1. And I have spells. I only have 0 spell, I guess. I have the created objects. Give me some. It's a turret, next stage. No, this center is. 9.5. Have to think for a moment. Is it the debuff attachment? No. Debuff attachment has is a 10.5. So this is the one I need to change probably. So next stage. Created objects 0. Next stage. It's also 0. Debuff attachment. Start position. Y. Let's put it to. Make it visible down to 16. Can now let it run, I guess. I think it's a 0.5, but the other also have a 0.5. It should happen in other cases too. This is too strange to me. The other values were also on 0.5. Nothing else is flickering. And when I paused the game, it did not flicker, did it? So somewhere needs to be something. I need to. I can still press stuff. Make it flicker. Here it is. When I pause, it doesn't flicker. So something is creating the flicker. Now nothing. He is still repainting in post mode. He's just not ticking. So I'm missing. But nothing else looks different. Is it related to having past characters? Should I ask AI? Only I have. I mean, it might help. I have all the information, but I don't know which values. But debuff slow. I missed. Yeah. One more time. I paint. This is. I think I can ask AI. ChatGPT. Am I still logged in? Okay, I was not logged in for a long time. Did you? So far so good. Okay. I am programming a game with TypeScript and HTML canvas. I have a strange bug currently. Cannot explain. I paint text at a fixed position, but it is flicker. But when the game wants the position is okay. This first. I paint it with code. This is not important. Test text. And I can move this. So I verified that the paint position does not change. Paint pose value does not change, but when I watch the actual painted position does by 1 pixel. Does jump up and down by 1 pixel. I have other text which never displayed this behavior. here. Also, it only happens if my game is ticking. If I just repaint the position, does not change. So something in my game logic affects it. But what would it be? Is there another value which affect the position? I think this is good enough. Maybe I should have activated thinking. Subpixel rendering, most common cause. Even CSS scaling on the camera final draw position can land on fractional pixels. This is of course the case, but what is the fix? Rounding. But I don't... Do I use rounding for my other texts? I should verify, I believe. Do my other text, because fill text I rarely use. I have paint text with outline. Here I don't do rounding. Camera position will never be rounded. Text X and Y, I divide by 2, this will... It can easily get to the case. More robust set transform fill text. Reset transform. I'm using this transform, but it's also... I indeed should verify if the transform is not changing, I guess. So maybe the transform is on 0.5s, but this would mean each... These texts are not flickering, but they should have... Okay, I'm not happy with the answer yet. It's true that I have the 0.5 case. Rounding will most likely fix it. I tested it already. But it's still not... I should read. Canvas, inner width, style width. Small font size, 20. Wouldn't consider 20 small, but it's a different font. I mean, this is an idea if 20 is a size which causes it. This is easy to test. I can think about it. Yes, even if it's cool. Line width. I should set line width, I think, was the first thing. Does it affect texts? Where was I? Nowhere here. I am debug slow. I want to set CTX line width. This is indeed a value which could change. Does it? Well, it's a value I set in other cases. So let's reload. Could have verified it. No, it's still flickering. Did not help. I could verify if my code is in. It is in. I could check a different font size. But it's true that these texts are not on a 0.5 position. And the other text move up, it wouldn't be visible. It's still flickering up and down. I should... Can I CTX? Do I get transform or something? Is it a function? It's all ones. I believe. And the rest is 0. I could... This cannot change. So this font size didn't matter. The line width didn't matter. Can I still activate syncing or something, or is it no longer possible? But nothing here helped. Rounding would help also. I'm not happy. I could also paint the text at a fixed position and see if this is the same problem. Paint it somewhere else. Let's go in the main game loop. Game paint. Inside here, I will put test text. I am painting around 200. And I probably should put font 20 pixel area and be happy. No, I failed. You should be 0.5. You should be 0.5. Is it the double 0.5? This is stable. Oh, I have my breakpoint here. No, both are flickering, but they're only flickering. Something is causing it. Interesting. Let me. I can paint it earlier, but if I paint it earlier, I might not see it. Let's put it here, I guess, and see if this also happens. Then I can move it around, so. Still, this is interesting. I can move it up. Map characters. I cannot put it over map. Can I? Yes, I can. This is the highest I can move it. And probably be still able to see it. Now behind the trees. It's not flickering anymore. Something happened. Okay. Now I can bit by bit move it to see where it happens. Let's move 2 down. Map characters. Was this value related to my character? Yes, but the paint position is still the same. I just go one by one, I guess. I should paint it closer to this one. It is not flickering. Okay. Put it a lot more to the right. This is 600, I guess. Uh, 800? Might be a good position. Not flickering, still a bit more over, there's enough space. So, on one maybe. Right side here, right side of my... Oh, this is too much. This looks good, I can even move it a bit down. And hopefully Might be 2 down. This is perfect. Oh, this is not affected. Can clearly see it, so I move it 2 down. Map characters, boss characters. What could they do? Map characters shoot stuff. Okay, it's one of these two. I don't think there is a boss character, so it has to be map characters. But what do map characters do to make the text wiggle? Well, it could also be the boss still, even if it doesn't make sense. Yes, okay. One more verification. Does it? Map characters. No, let's take it out. And map characters. Now it will become more complicated. We do it here, it should still... let's do it differently. I throw it here. It should not be affected. Hey, wait a second. This could be called multiple times, I'm unsure. But I will see. Not affected. If I move it down, it should be affected. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's find out. There shouldn't be too much between here. Paint characters. TTX is an interesting one. No all-in paint characters. TTX. How can I... find out that I don't miss anything? I'm afraid there's no guarantee. Slimes are painted, but they are painted all the time. What am I painting? Paint map characters. Paint map characters. Map characters. All are slimes, but I'm also painting their abilities. They have default abilities. So I should assume it's slime paint. I paused it, I didn't. I start the timer. Let's Never verified. So I paint, I give it. Now here is the start, and I can just need to wait for him to create the turret. And slow on, and now I wait. It is indeed happening. When I see the... Wait. I use a culprit? Can I... No, I don't want... couldn't I... Responsive? I want to... Yes, this one I want. Go. It's... Oh... No, it's ticking. It does not have anything to do with painting. I mean, indeed, ticking is range. Now only this text is flickering. Interesting. It's based on which enemies I see. And I should zoom out to see and give me... Also, I should... As if I change the... Okay. I want... Debug active chunks. Here I see it's flickering. Take this one out. Still the sword guy. It's a sword guy. This is now not turning. Now it's turning. Interesting. The sword is indeed doing stuff. Does the transform really change? But why is now this one not flickering? But this one? Well, good enough. I can check. Do you have text? I don't think this is relevant. Where was I? Oh, here I wanted to check. No, where did I change the... Is it map paint? I think it's map paint. It's not map paint. I'm confused. It is map paint. The version... Was it just global paint still and it didn't reload? It's not map paint. Map paint. Is it in map or is it in? It was paint map characters. It has to be here. I mean, this interested, so let's get my transform, I guess. Yes, something. Ooh. This word is not cleaning up correctly. Let's see. It's abilities word, I guess. Abilities word. You are doing paint stuff. You are doing rotation transformation. Oh yes, I see it. CDX save and CTX restore. This should fix it. Oh. Looking good. Interesting. But so mentioned the transform or scale the transform. Scale, translate, rotate. It was not totally off. Let's see, this is at least fixed. Did I... You can be deleted. I fixed. You... Fine. This is a change. I might do this somewhere else. I should verify, I guess. Translate, rotate. Let's find if I do rotation somewhere not the correct way. No, this is CTX rotate. Abilities for this I fixed. Ability tower. This loses restore. Bounce ball. This does undo. Because I roll around so fast, I think. TX save. X restore. At least I believe this is what I want. This was tower, did it correct? Bounce ball, boomerang does restore, snipe. Snipe does restore. Character paint, what am I doing here? Back save. Store. Character image paint. This is the other facing direction. I mean, this is not important because it was on other CTX, but better to do it. Same way I'm here, I am. Paintability objects. Ah, these are the signs. This one he can... Restore. I don't see ability seeker changed. This is on restore. This is on restore. Okay, let's just verify. Everything still seems fine. Left and right. Is Tower Builder also? This is rotating, but in a different way. What else did I change? Seeker. Character paint bounce sword. Sword I did check here. DT Seeker. This is a god enemy. This should still work. Debuff slow. Ah, this has no effect. Remove it. Take away the line is fine. Ah, this I should undo. So far so good, I believe. Fix flickering text caused by text transformation. Okay. Game tasks. This is done. Test multiplayer, check touch controls. I still have 50 minutes. For playtest, there's not much time. Test. So, can Spellmaker work with touch? I don't know. Let's go here. Currently, this is the size I would need to press it. Then I can do lightning. It cannot update itself on this one. And I cannot click on these. But on holding down it reacts. Okay, it should behave a little bit different on touch. I have to think a bit. And I should move here. It can be fixed, can it? Technically it can. work. Mm. Now, what is missing? The interaction I have to remember. This I can click, this I cannot click because he sends. And the position could be down here in this case, I believe. It is moving. Do I have to press somewhere else? No. Is it? So we start. It's nothing to do with size, I believe. He can see that I hover, but he cannot realize that I cannot update. Something is off. How does touch work is probably the first question. Because I don't remember. I have a touch start. I have a pinch. Pinch is what I cannot do so easily on computer. Do a touch move, touch pinch, zoom function. Touch move action ability. This. I put relative mouse. Did I fix this? Target offset, left target offset. Mouse relative canvas position. I didn't change this value in specific. I don't remember how I do touch. Because I need to know if this is a move touch. An ability touch, I guess. Yeah, this is not smart. If I can still move, interesting. Don't play mobile, so. This is ability press. Touch move action ability. This confuses me. This sent something. Touch end. Is it really? No, it's on touch down. Here, touch end is important. Let's think. Oh. cache touch starts. Why cache? Other cache it, okay, touch and touch ability action. This might be most important one. And here I changed that an ability can do something new, and this might be the main problem. What did I do differently? My Spellmaker ability. Get custom cast data. This might be the one I'm. Okay. It's in player input. I have the default ability case data. This is what I put here. But I put in custom data. Okay, this might be the main thing, copy. And I need it in touch, most likely. I have an ability, but I do not have my data here. That's right. Default data. Action is key down. Cast position, cast relative. Input touch just. So it's in everything. Okay, but I will do. Do I have ability functions? I have the ability. I don't see them, so I also need them. Reachability. Touch ability action. Can I have multiple abilities here? Technically, yes. For now, I make it. So here I make the special custom data. We need default data. Okay, let's make it default data. Const default data. This is stuff. And this is not happy yet. What is default data? This is not fitting. Action. This is not guaranteed. Interesting. I force it. I don't care. Because I want to see if it works. Spellmaker, lightning. This is working. Click, click. Okay. Touch up, I should stop the tooltip. Should I? And I should have something on update on touchdown. So probably touchability action. Here is still something with touch and action ability. Touchability action. So there is some difference. This is probably the key downfalls. I could do the same and see if this changes anything. But this is a key down. Technically, I guess I should put it in there, even if I currently don't use it. Oh, duh, duh. Now the question is, does key downfalls matter? I don't know. Let's find out. Spellmaker explosion. But didn't it work for sniper? Doesn't. What is this? You did shoot correctly once. But this is broken. I have to shoot. Something is broken. To do with here. It's no longer touch. So something is off. Did I ever check this? It seems that these are correct. Sniper. These are absolutely not. No. The click is correct. The auto shoot is. It looks broken. Okay, so something about touch. Did it ever work? I'm unsure. This is very strange. Yeah, he shoots incorrectly. No, now he shoots correctly. Interesting. Just a second too early. So my positioning on holding down is completely incorrect. This could be because I didn't finish the change for keeping touch thing. Is this the value? I don't think this is the one I changed. Is it? It's based on this. This is the value. It changed. Yeah, okay, this must be the problem. Because the relative position is no longer correct. Wait. Does it matter? Only when I hold. Then it's incorrect. This is where I touched. This is my canvas element. And now I need it moved, but where? This one, I guess. No. I'm confused again. What do I need to put in here? Get relative mouse position. It's the event position, target offset. So it is correct what I put in here. So I have a function for it. So this value is not the problem. Seems at least. Do I not use it anymore this way? Ah, I forgot again. This is my position on the screen. I should believe it's correct here. Mouse position to map position is... But touch sets something here, which it needs to do. And this value seems to be off, it felt like. One more test. If I do not... This doesn't change. This is correct. This is exactly correct. And it's not correct for... It is not reacting at all if I move my... The first shot... It's... Okay, first of all, it's not moving at all. But I have a touch. Touch start move, touch retry. Where are my events which I subscribe? Main, I guess. Touch move, touch move. Touch move action. Move action is the event type, and move is I move my character, and move action ability is where I set this thing. And this relative position should result in updates. Can I console log something here? Move. No, I can probably put this here. My code might be good enough. Might be good enough. So this is... Okay, this is what I expect, and it's reacting to move. So I set the value. This is being updated. And now... What happens now? This game in it. Part of tick and paint? It's probably part of tick. Probably do stuff. How to send my mouse position. I'm not testing. Oh. It only do it for keyboard. Let's think for a moment. Why is this? Because I have mouse data? This explains it, but it's auto send. For controller, I probably have an angle. Maybe mouse data is incorrect for touch. I could, if it's not keyboard, and I could check if it's touch. See what happens now. Sniper. Looks well. Okay. Easy. Now, Spellmaker. Oh, it reacts perfect. Okay. It seems to work, even if it not. The last thing is last thing is that I cannot. I have to press. If I press, I create something. I not. And I. But I. If I let's go here again. If I move, he will automatically move them a bit. Who knows? I mean, if I move my finger over it, it might not be able to read, so. Question. I keep it for this, like this for now, I guess. Even if it's maybe a bit annoying. This seems to work. At least. Fix, touch. Control. Put touch. Good enough. Where's my time? 20 minutes. So I can play it. I should test multiplayer. Oh, this is tiny. No. What did you do? Yeah. Thank you. Look lost. I cannot join multiplayer in mobile. Maybe this is why I never tested it. 1, 2, 3. No lobby code. Can I not enter to join? ABC. I can, but because I changed. Okay, I can restart here. And now I check. Oh, I cannot see that he's in Spellmaker mode. Okay, but there's no both with. I can check Spellmaker, Explosion. Question is, should I? If he doesn't have the mana bar he's making. Okay. Let's restart. I can go 6. I can go. I know I can spell. Okay, perfect. It looks like it works. The important part is probably that I check if my buttons all work. Right. Okay, I would say it looks promising for now. I'm still in multiplayer, this is why I was confused. Okay. 17 minutes. I think multiplayer looked like it works. I can still try to get maximum damage per second. Is it again broken? Yes, it is. New window. So I want some DPS values with the new Spellmaker. So let's cheats give me a few points. I don't know how many. Let's just go as high as I can. Okay, I think everything is 7. Plus 6, plus 6. This is plus 6, the other is plus... Ah, no, it's... Wait. Okay, now I am on plus 7, okay. A lot of experience. Let's go to 400. And they have no stuff. So now I should create something for everything. And then see what if I'm give money. Okay. 157. But I boosted my XP already. Is this a fair damage per second test? I'm currently unsure. Because now I actually need, so I should have a legendary probably. So it stays. But I guess I should now first make all the spells which I need. I go default, I guess, which means lightning turrets. Go like this. Orbit. Stage. Lightning. Single target. I don't want to start yet. The next spell, add spell, swap over, which is proximity explosions. You seek your target. On stage, you explode. Perfect. Next spell. I have seeking fire lines, I would say. Oh, I should do it differently. To make 2 fire lines and 2 fire circles. And you all seek. Now I have fireline, proximity, seek, explosion, lightning. Attach I do not have. Orbit I have. I don't have slow. Who is the most helpful for slow? I don't want these. Maybe this one. I mean, 70% slow is not too much. Mana addition. So I've applied slow. Attach is now missing. And move is missing. These cannot gain anything so if I attach them. Ooh, I have a different idea. Let's delete this one. Let's do these, attach these. So I have attach active. And I need move at last. This should probably next spell. I do a turret. Not too much mana. You should move. And you should shoot lightning. And with this, I think I have everything. So let's activate. No. You go on autocast. You go on autocast. You go on autocast. You go on autocast. Spell number 5 will be turret on charge with lightning. And this is my main cast. So if I do this, now I need to see. Yes, everything gets levels. Okay. Now I will see. Oh. I hope. Should I still turn? I don't remember what type of. I should check. Explosion and turret fire line. So there's an. Okay, I should not have any problems with this. I wonder if the boss should cast on position. I don't think so. Keep it like this. Do I reach 6? Yes. I wonder if I can reach 7. Because I have probably against small enemies my level probability is higher. And I can level them when I get them gifted, probably. That doesn't matter. Okay, they will be 6 soon, so 540% should update. Still not. Also close fire circle orbiter. But they are orbiting. Still not on 6. Interesting. What's that it? I'm surprised. Is this buggy? Slow is on 6.2. Why is slow on 6.2? Something is not adding up in my head. How long do they... Wait. I'm an idiot here. Yes, I have to look. 650% and 47. .48 is more accurate. What is the next one? Which could slow move charge is my 49, the easiest one too. It's 660, 48, okay. Oh. I forgot. They are fireline turrets. Oh god, are they deadly? Okay. How much damage did the tick do? 72, it's not... And they slow a lot. Okay, these turrets kill me. Damage meter... Turret orbiter followed from... Wow, the backwards moving one was high. Fire circle seeker, fire circle attach were pretty low. It's 70%, 80%. Character. Lightning was 6-6. Turret 6-6. Orbit should also be 6-6. 6-4. Okay, because I have the backwards moving turret. Understood. I wanted a DPS check. How's my time? 3 minutes for my target time. I think I can take him one more time. Just don't use the sniper. And here I have a normal one. Because I think they can still grow stronger. Even if it is gifted. It's not displayed. Interesting. Not good. Should it be? Normally it still should be displayed. If I reload, I think I still see it. Let's try. I can fix this bug. Tap more info. Yeah, I see it. Interesting. Once I take it. Don't see it anymore. I should verify. It's Spellmaker. More infos. More info somehow stops. This boost tool level. Why is this important here? I wanted to only show it when I have a tool. But this check feels incorrect. So if my create tools, because I could not count. I see the problem. But it is... What is the next big option? It didn't do anything yet, so we start 6. Now I passed character. No, character I want. I have a mana slot, but I didn't... I think it doesn't matter. I will have a tool quite instantly, so I think I will change it. So if I'm here, I have 2 levels, nothing. If I go Fireline, I have it perfect. Now if I take his, I will see. This is what I wanted to see. And now I want to check. Also, I can do 5% damage. I am interested in if they still get levels, which I think should happen. Charge is 5.4. I think that's the easiest one to check. 5.6. Yes, it is still growing. Then I can one more time try to reach high distance, I guess. I mean, they overkill by a lot at the start. Ah, I can. What is E? Cooldown. Cooldown. I can run over still. Okay, this might be pretty dangerous to survive to high distances, but I will see. Duration. Now I go on additional charge because I can try to use them. Oh god, no I can't. Defensively I wanted, but maybe not. Let's wait here for a moment. I wanted to know, can I see the mana cost here? I don't think I can. Yes, I can. Something is confusing me. What is slot 4? Is slot 4 missing the move? They are not displaying the orbit value in there. Interesting. The move value. This is a bug. I should write it down. This is more info. Missing move spell info. Move spell tool move info. Okay. But now that I know it, I should check mana cost. Charge to it lightning. It's fine. Turret lightning, this one might be the move, or this one. These are cheap. They shouldn't. But the back mode, moving one, oh god, didn't want to get it. No, they moved to the left. But maybe they are. I have to. Okay, it's getting dangerous. It's my distance. Can I look? 26. I should continue to dodge. Okay, how is my 49%? 680. I don't think it goes too much. Maybe I should. 5-7. It could go to a 6, I guess. Oh, nearly died. I wait here for a second. Where's my 32,000? Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I think I was a bit lucky with the boss pawns. Too much to look out for. But I can reach 40k, so this is good to know. Do I dodge up or? Ooh, this was close. I should reach. Didn't react. Can I already see? No. Wonder if I. It's already in range for the god. Did I reach 710, 51%? 7-2 fire circle is. Attach was low. This all seemed fine balancing wise. I need to have a DPS value in the end. But reaching this range is already decent indication. Lightning does 660,000, so okay. What did I change here? Oh yes, this one. I can put it in. Spellmaker UI info change. UI tool info. Wait, I did not run test yet. I should. Let's restart. I don't remember which size I had, so let's hope this is fine. One test replays, and let's see. Should everything still work? Or did I change? I changed mainly touch control, which is not used. And the text flickering, which should only affect visuals, not play. Okay, I should expect everything to work. Perfect, perfect. Everything works, so I can deploy it. So I push it. And with this, I reach the end. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.